Well, good morning, my ladies and my gents. Welcome to Wednesday, which means it's another episode of What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. In it, we kind of talk about what we bought, what we get, this kind of thing. Something to save money. Always love saving money. Stuff you can get on sale, get on special, or just stuff you bought. So over the last week for for this obsession that we call a hobby. So first of all, what I wanted to start out, a couple of weeks ago I put one up where I'd gotten some thread online, and I got a comment from Chester Lewis over at Billboards Builds. I'll have a link to that over there down in the comments. And he said, check out thread art. They've got actual 2mm ribbon. And so I did. And this is a lot more like what you have for your seat belts. Lot closer, a lot better. And they're like, I don't know, $4 a roll. And I got this for like, I don't know, $13, $14, I think. And but I went ahead and I sent that other stuff back because I'm really not going to use all of that, and for what that cost I pretty much was able to get this. But it's one interesting. This is silk ribbon. It's not nylon, satin, polyester, whatever. This is actually 2mm wide, which is what we got, and they've got all kinds of colors, and this was a pack. So they call it the essential, and of course you can see you got blue, light green, red, white, and black, and each one of them is, I don't remember, something like 20 or 22 yards, something like that. But they actually come out of over by Houston, about not quite 2.5 hours from me. So I just thought that was really neat, and I went ahead and got it. Now I got all kinds of stuff that I can use, and I'm doing a Dodge Dart right now, and I could really use some white seatbelt material, and now I got all in the world. So got that, and then let me drink of water here. For anyone that was keeping up with my big rig group built, saw the logos that I put on it along with the stripes. And dang, excuse me, allergies. But back many years ago, back around 2005, I went to work for a company out of Alabama that they were paying us as independent contractors, but I'm not going to get into the legalities of that way they were doing it. It wasn't exactly right. But I formed a LLC for kind of as a layer of protection between me and the truck. And so if something, God forbid, ever happened, I'd be able to have, that layer of protection where people would go after the LLC and not me. And there's not much in the LLC, but this way I don't lose my home. But anyway, I had to look up the guy's name. I forgot it. I am absolutely horrible with names, but I talked to Terry about getting some more sets, and I wanted just the logos. And so we set a price, and I ordered 6 sets, and I wound up with enough that I can do now 6 trucks. Actually, I had 12 trucks if I want, or escorts or company vehicles. But I wasn't expecting to get the stripes. I just wanted the logos. I'll, by golly, use the stripes. That's cool, and kind of something unifying on a whole fleet of trucks. That's going to be fun. So anyway, I got those over at STS Decals. The only thing about STS is you have to go in and actually trim around the decal. They are not trimmed out like you get with Gopher Racing or some of those. He just takes them and prints them on decal paper, and then you cut them out. and you can trim them as close as you want or as far away as you want. So, but yeah, go give STS Decals a look. They got all kinds of really cool stuff. They got seat covers and all kinds of stripes and various flames and skulls and things. And well, in fact, I've got a decal sheet that I'm going to use something on my Dart. I got these. That's one. That's one. He actually has woven Mexican blankets, real woven, not decal, but woven. He's got all kinds of truck decals. He's got all kinds of car decals. He's got license plates. I use license plates a lot. This is one for Texas. You can see I've used quite a few. New Mexico, I haven't used as many. But these you just cut out and glue on. And but yeah, go check out Terry over at STS Decals. Oh, and he also has spark plug wire. And it's like, I don't know, last time I looked it was like $279 or something, I think, for 3 yards of, or excuse me, 3 feet of spark plug wire. And it's really about the best price you can find, and it's real nice for doing your spark plugs. So yeah, go check out STS. Then I got stuff here. I hit Hobby Link. They are my go-to place for a lot of my stuff that I get. And Revell, I got steel and aluminum. These are great for your various metal parts that you want. I'm starting to run a little low on them, so I went ahead and picked me up some more. Clear, Tamiya clear. I love this stuff. It pretty much is most decals that I've run across. You can put a clear coat over it, and it doesn't hurt them, of the clear acrylic. And it's a nice gloss. I've also got little bottles of flat and semi-gloss. The chrome, don't use it as much, but it never hurts to have some. It's more of a bright silver as opposed to chrome. And of course, flat black, got a couple of bottles of it. I'm running a little low on it. That's great for a lot of the stuff. Then I decided to pick up some gold leaf. That is really pretty paint. I'm gonna have to do something with that. I saw that and I thought that is really nice. If you've heard me talk about making your own spark plug or your own radiator hoses, I've been running a little short on that. This is the 2-inch equivalent, and I use it quite a bit. This is 2.5-inch. Don't use it as much. This is 3 feet. These are 2 feet. They also have inch and inch-and-a-half sizes, and you can get them at Hobby Link, and they're like, I don't know, $5, $6, $7. But you can actually, they make really nice radiator hoses. Also picked up a couple of sets of racing harness, lever racing harness. Mostly I wanted the photo etch parts. A while back, I love these letters. I've used these in the gold before, and I was starting to run out of the letters on the red, so kind of hard to see the white, but they're nice too. But I love that red, and it's, trimmed in black, so I picked up some more of that. And of course, you've been seeing this in the background. I went ahead and got one. I'm still looking for a 74 Mustang II notchback. My mom had one when I was a kid, and she really liked the car. But everybody seems to really like the hatchback. We had a notchback. I want to build Mom a notchback, kind of like I did the GTO. But I went ahead and picked it up for the fun of it, just because it is a Mustang II, and it's the first time I've seen a Mustang II of any kind. But I went ahead and got one. And of course, you can see the bottom, and see what kind of fun I can have with it. And haven't unboxed it yet, but it might be fun. It's gonna be fun. So Well, there's my What Did You Buy Wednesday. I hope y'all enjoy listening to it as much as I like listening to myself talk, so I'll let y'all go. Just be sure to go over to bcgresins.com. Check them out. Check out what Josh has got. Anybody wanting to build a serious dragster and just coming off the line, he still has a few sets of those wrinkled drags available. And a choice of 4-inch or 8-inch front tires. But yeah, go check it out. When you get a set, go on over and get that, what is it, DRCE Chevy engine. Pair it up with the Lenco. He's got anywhere from 2 to 5 gears. Pair it up with that. Get a 4-link rear end. Set it all up and you got yourself a fun little race car. So, but anyway, when you get done shopping, go through and finding everything you want. When you go to checkout, put in Jester10, Jester10, in the promo code, and save 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, but it does go toward the orders, so you can save a few bucks. So, anyway, I'm going to get out of here. I've yammered on long enough. So, BTEX signing out.